How will you be shaken if you know that the happenings in your life na hindi magaganda are gifts? I call it wisdom gifts. I call it like that. Why? Because every time that you face a challenge, is it good or bad? It's bad kung dadramahan, but it's good if you take it and learn how to twist it that you are the master of your situation, of the problem. Problems are there and early mo makukuha yung wisdom sa buhay mo kasi early ka nag-decide to take it. You know, the people who are not that lalim ng wisdom sa buhay are those who think that problems are chaos, parang ganon. But those people na iniisip na yung problema nila, kakampi nila yan, it's a gift. Regalo yan sa'yo. Alam mo ba? Regalo yan ni higher creator sa'yo. Regalo yan. Bakit? Para pagalingin ka. Kung wala kang problema, hindi ka gagaling. Lahat ng tao may problema, but it's how you deal with it. Iba ang problema mo nung 16 years old ka eh. Iba rin yung problema mo nung nagkatrabaho ka na. Iba rin nung may anak ka na. It's non-stop, but it's how you deal with it. Yun nga yung sinasabi na parang kalma ka na mag-deal ng problema mo. Kasi alam mo, narigalo siya sa'yo.